Siguro nanalo posible twice to beat. And, parang playoff atmosphere na rin. And, also Magnolia, defensive team, physical team. So, yun.
Yun nga, sabi na ni Coach kanina, magmumul na kami sa game na to kasi ganun talaga eh. So we have to be accountable, each and every one of us. Siyempre lalo na mas crucial naging mas crucial na ngayon yung game sa Friday. And then against Magnolia, number 1 team. So we still have a chance, pero yung chance na yun, wala pa rin yun hanggang di pa kami naglalaro, hanggang di pa kami nanalo. So for us, kailangan lang talaga namin go back to yung defensive system namin. Kasi yun nga, pag di ka makashoot, pag sama talaga ang laro, lahat kami sama ng laro. And then they played well defensively. Ang hirap eh, pag hindi ka makashoot, hindi ka rin makadepensa, ano gagawin namin? So we have to make sure na next game na kahit di kami makashoot, andun yung defensive namin.